I was 22 when I made the mistake I made, and now I'm 26. I was facing 12 years for all prescribed drugs that they say I had.
Mo was charged with distribution of a drug called oxycodone. He was a college graduate. He had 2 little kids, essentially babies, 2 little girls, and he was a first offender. He had never before been in trouble with the law. Under the federal sentencing guidelines, if his case had gone to trial, he would have been looking at, even as a first offender, somewhere between 15 and 19 years in prison. We just felt that was going to be an unjust result, and we had to figure out how to approach the case. I started the Federal Criminal Justice Clinic because I thought it would be an incredible opportunity for students to really learn how to be lawyers. Most law schools have a state-level criminal defense clinic, but nobody has this clinic that does exclusively federal felony cases. I really wanted this to be a clinic where the students had a huge amount of hands-on involvement with the cases. I wanted these to be, in essence, the students' cases.
We go in court and represent defendants on our own. We have the support of Professor Siegler and Erica Zonkel, but it's really the students who are the lawyers for those clients. Students are naturally drawn to her clinic, who are very motivated, who are interested in criminal defense work, and also just interested in challenging legal work.
Being a lawyer isn't just the writing, it's not just the arguing, it's also working with the client.
Having students represent me in court was real hard to take in at first. As I came around to the clinic more, to UFC, and actually saw on a day-to-day basis what she was doing, I got more comfortable with it.
The team, the students of the team, they just seem like a family, you know. You don't hear that type of enthusiasm coming from public defenders. You're not used to that.
And what I think the clinic has shown is that you want to be able to show a picture of who this person really is and what led to their acts and the reason why they're here in court today.
Alison had all of his supporters and the people that did show up to court write a letter, as well as showing up to court to show the judge the type of home life and support that Mohammed Smith has.
When the prosecution came to us with this amazing plea deal, basically, as far as we could tell, based on our advocacy, and they said, you know, and it was one of those moments where we said, we've got to do this, we've got to take this deal.
Alison got it from 12 to 6, all the way down to 2. She's not just a lawyer to me, she's more than just a lawyer. A friend, guidance, and just, it'll be a person I'll never forget. I know that much.